Okay, so let's have the inverse function rule. Suppose that we have a given function x is equal to f of y, then the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to 1 over the derivative of x with respect to y. So this is the formula for inverse function rule. Okay, so applying the given formula dito sa rule na to, so given the example, x is equal to y cubed minus 4y squared. So let's apply this. Okay, so the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to 1 over the derivative of x, which in this case is y cubed minus 4y squared with respect to y. Okay, again applying the rules in differentiation. So we'll have here 1 over the derivative of y cubed minus 4y squared. So we'll have 3y squared. And then we have minus the derivative of 4y squared. We'll have 8y. And there you go. That is the derivative for the given function. But there is also another way to solve for inverse rule. So same given tayo. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, we are finding for the derivative of y with respect to x. Pero yung given natin is naka x4. So ang gagawin muna natin is to find the derivative of x with respect to y. So we'll have here the symbol for the derivative of x with respect to y. And then, so since ang given naman natin ay naka-x, so let's substitute it. So we'll have here the derivative of, what's the value of our x? So it's y cubed minus 4y squared. So lagay lang natin doon. And then with respect to y. Okay. So applying again the rules in differentiation, so we'll have here the derivative of y cubed, so we'll have 3y squared minus the derivative of 4y squared, which is equal to 8y. And then hindi pa tayo dyan natatapos kasi ito ay nasa form pa ng derivative of x with respect to y. And for us to turn it to the derivative of y with respect to x, we need to find the reciprocal of this 3y squared minus 8y for us to know the inverse. Okay, so let's write the derivative of y with respect to x and then i-reciprocal natin siya. So, ano reciprocal ng 3y squared minus 8y? Okay, so it will be equal to 1 over 3y squared minus 8y. And it's the same answer as dun sa sumunod tayo dun sa given rule. So, kahit alin po dyan ay pwede nyong gamitin since it will arrive at the same answer. Okay, for the second example, sa inverse function rule, we have here x is equal to 2 multiplied to 4y plus 3 cubed. Okay, so let's solve first for the derivative of x with respect to y. So as you may notice, ang ginagamit natin sa pag-solve dito ay yung second way natin. You may also try the first way and tingnan nyo kung mag-come up kayo sa same answer. Okay, so since this is the given, we can separate the constant 2. So we'll write there 2. Then multiplied to the derivative of 4y plus 3 cubed with respect to y. Okay, so applying the rules in differentiation. Okay, so let's just copy the constant 2. Then, by applying the rules in differentiation dito sa 4y plus 3 cubed, so power rule, so we'll have 2 multiplied to 3, then multiplied to 4y plus 3, and then yung ginagawa natin sa exponent, so sinusubtract natin ng 1, so 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2, and then multiply sa derivative of 4y plus 3, which is equal to 4. Then, let's simplify. Okay, let's just copy 2. And then, unahin natin yung nasa loob ng bracket. So, let's multiply the constants, 3 and 4, which will be equal to 12 multiplied to 4y plus 3 squared. And then, let's distribute 2. So, multiply natin siya dito sa constant na 12. So, we'll have 24 multiplied to 4y plus 3 squared. And again, nasa form pa tayo ng derivative of x with respect to y. So, let's turn this to the derivative of y with respect to x. So, finding the reciprocal of 24 multiplied to 4y plus 3 squared. So, we'll have 1 over 24 multiplied to 4y plus 3 squared. So, yan na yung final answer natin. Okay, last example for inverse function rule. So, we have the given x is equal to 6 over 3y plus 1 squared. So, the first thing that we're going to do, we can separate the constant 6. So, we'll have here 6 multiplied to 1 over 3y plus 1 squared. And by doing so, we can apply the ninth rule in differentiation dito sa 1 over 3y plus 1 squared. So, by applying it, so let's just copy the constant. Again, dx, the derivative of x with respect to y tayo. So, let's just copy the constant 6 multiplied to the derivative of 1 over 3y plus 1 squared with respect to y. Okay, by applying the rule number 9, so we'll have 6 multiplied to negative 2 over 3y plus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, and then multiplied to the derivative of 3y plus 1 with respect to y. Okay, so we'll have here, so pag multiply na natin yung 6 and negative 2, so we'll have negative 12 over 3y plus 1 raised to 3, then multiplied to the derivative of 3y plus 1. Okay, it is equal to 3. And then, we'll have 3 multiplied to negative 12, which will be equal to negative 36 over 3y plus 1 raised to 3. Again, we're still in the form the derivative of x with respect to y. So, by reciprocating negative 36 and 3y plus 1 cube or over 3y plus 1 cube, we'll have the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to 3y plus 1 cube over negative 36. And that is the final answer for the given function for inverse function rule.